check out the toll. Go on the toll, yeah. Yeah. River them dirty and active. Yeah. It's a sugar cane plant. Sugar cane field. Flat. No major damage of going on the toll. Just to the trees and you understand. Get in? The breeze good? Alright, then good. The tree is still far out or so much. Very nice, you know? What kind of damage you go on, mate? On this side. Yeah. That's it. No ditch. Yeah, not really damaged. Yeah, good. Yeah, not really bad. Yeah, so like I said, not really going on it too. Boy, sunny like hard at work. See all the sun are shine. Yeah, sun out. Yeah, nice weather. There So we are going down to Angel's Lake right now. Watch your man. After a storm. Yes, a couple of people dead, you know? I said, about 8 people dead already. We will get electrocuted and all them things there. So they're alright, man. You have sandbag on top, then good, man. Just one little part of the bathroom is tear down. Yeah. Which river?
The rock over.
Push this man and see us on it. Yeah. It's a river there. Alright, I'll check watch. Oh. Alright, nice. I see what river.
Man.
What's up?
Watch duck.
Watch your door.
We can come catch duck.
The river this. Duck. She duck. She duck though. The real cover river this.
You realize that's why I run the sun. I over this I run the sun. Like it's a circle.
I'm sitting there right there saying I can go pool or something. Hey, don't tip over. You're not tip over. You just look on the river.
I'm not sure, but like there's a vortex or something. Some hole where water going on. Or I push it up.
Or something on there, so either water bounce back and spin back on there, or something. Alright, come back again, come. Nice. Right, nice. We're back on the tour again. The road waiting outside, man. I'm driving on. Alright. Some houses over here, so there. I don't see no damage. I don't see no damage. Nice weather, you know. Alright, so we exit off high toll now. Houses down there so good. Three girls, yeah. One of them a crack and body. Can't take no car right now, we have vlog. can drive through toll free.
So toll open.
Yeah.
I one lane, come on, man.
Eight 7-5, how would this one pass? Well, I mean, I tell you, say, dangerous, man. Run a yard flat. Me did tie down banana tree, everything. That they was never take out that they was stop there when me done, man. Water running like a river. I look at it with tie down. Me say nice time you can hear like the roof and lift up, you know. Jesus God. Me say me look at it with tie down. Tie down about 50 rope, man. And put up some block up there. So they will take them down. We have to take them down and chase what they think. Like. I say what? Mash it. Yeah, man. Please mash up, man. Please mash up. I don't know when we get back light because down on the cool side, I want to say about a light post bust down and something. Mash. Terrible, man. We have life, we have to just rebuild again. Yeah, man. Why can't I get done, man? A Cuba, them say it's going to, I must be Bahamas and them place. Oh, God. Yeah.
They're not going to school.
Terrible. Terrible. Oh God. I not drive, but they are drive through a look what I want. Yeah, man. I hear no. I can't call upon the number if anything, no. It's a number 1875 number. Alright, so when I reach him, but I show it you. I charge up my phone. Eh? Yeah. In my car. Alright, so later, be safe. Alright. That's it, man. Say place tear up. Alright, so my side we're in a Spanish Town area now. Yeah, we're in Spanish Town. So we are tour. We are tour whole city, whole place. We don't see no great damage in a Spanish Town area. Yeah, yeah. But we are see. Because we not very well as Spanish Town. So I don't want to go and tell me say Ray and without a GC fast out here, so we don't see no great damage so far. Over there tour, man. I think we don't see no great damage. People are going in daily life for them and I clean up and I got music up here like light on the side, man. Man, say we look on the shop them. You see light on them.
Light?
Yeah, me just pass light on the shop there.
Only quite possible. But no matter.
stoplight at work.
Yeah.
So I light down the
Yeah,
side
but
there.
when I pass stoplight now, angels on the
So
side.
me tell you, I light at the side there.
So we could choose Spanish Town and come back on. The bypass and come through.
So then I Spanish Town right now. I go on a tour, you know, man. We don't see what I want.
I'm not going up there, so man.
You know what I'm saying?
The tree not even look like them shit.
It's like nothing going on Spain Town, man. Ah, this is no leaf, even leaf on the road at Spain Spanish Town side. No great damage. No, son, that's no damage on ya. Two little rubbish drum turn over. I mean, there is no damage. People are clean up and nah, look.
One coconut tree though.
This one coconut tree, you know?
Right man. Well, that's a boy Antoine then.
What is it? See, I like the palm place there.
Yeah.
Sun is shining hot as Spanish
They'll
too.
still lock up.
Smell like restaurant open.
Restaurant.
Yes,
Come
man.
like that, so. Yeah, man. Some people there.
Yeah, man, place of restaurant or food that cook and
Yeah, man.
in my side, man, food that cook. That's Spain Town, man. Man, look at all that stuff with that damn people. Look, leaf, not much.
Ame?
daily life already, man. The damage are really going on the Spanish Town side, my side. The partner we see so far.
Yo, you know, so they set this a fire over there. The other day when them killed a thick man.
Oh, there's a fire. Security out. Security out.
Anytime any little uproar going on in a Spain in the first place at night, you know.
Court.
Them at the courts. I don't know how they still have the store there, so.
I drive like on trailer. Where am I do? I drive like a trailer, I drive. Some woman I drive. That's Spanish Town Primary.
That's Spanish Town High.
Aye, yeah. People over there clean up. So, people on this one, going back to school. One tree, yeah. But tree people, Spanish Town people say they cut up the tree them already and clear up. I don't think that's Spanish right now, I said a garbage on the road.
Exactly.
That's no great damage, just garbage.
Man, I hustle already.
Me when I still real fresh now or something.
No, sir. Oh, you so get up turbo.
I don't know.
In a main road, in a main.
My place cranny with rubbish, man. And dirty water. People are still sweetie. Man out here sell already. People out here hustle already. Man, I said close, hot.
What?
Yo! Nice pay inside, man. Inside. People out here sell already, man. Taxi a run.
Let them out of what?
Can you wind up on the window a little? I don't know. I'm good now. I'm going to go out there and splash. My dirty water, I don't want to touch you now. Man, I sell all breadfruit. We ain't going to get all the men upon it. Move from a boil them there. I look about roast and I low and boil. The young breadfruit there, man, I sell, man. I say people out and not sell already, man. Yeah, man, people out. KFC locked down. So no KFC. People out, man. People out and not sell, man. Yeah, man, people out and not sell. Bleach I sell and all of them things there. Yeah.
That I go and sell enough and disinfectant.
Bleach and this, yeah. Woman out when I have on a brazier and any flash show. Jesus Christ, people. Like I all see, you know.
You may always find that way, the one out of road and walk like that.
Which are fruits are sell, melon, orange. Yeah man, people out here pine are sell.
So no need to go and better with no garbage in that town.
Garbage enough. Body out here video and people out to check them business place. The looters then. People are knock down their zinc. Bar up there, so. Or bar that or a shop?
A bar.
That's so. People out here, my side. Sun not shine hot, man. I go with zinc.
Then get rid of my boy, they were there.
The road, yeah.
And all you see go by train line just so.
Car them mash up. Hot already, yo.
And they alone have to do it.
Yeah man, it's hot already, man.
Yeah? Why are you such a thirsty? Spanish so nice and sunny, man. We don't see no damage. Damage of that Spanish, we don't see no damage. We don't see no damage. You guys have breakfast already? Huh?
me there, I go and look what I go on. I tell you, say, Jaja. So that's how we here. Spain and clean up quick and fast. Then better than the one in my country. Bar all up already.
Shop. There's one thing something I look for, you know.
Like all the restaurant or something. They ain't collecting around with them. Before him a worry about the wrong thing right now, brother. One in a mango tree. I worry about the wrong thing right now. Try worry about storm and them things, brother. Get back on track and go back to work and all them things. I worry about the wrong thing. With the back of Angels. Yeah, with the back of Angels, KFC there. So I also tear down a little bit. That means my side Spanish don't look alright. Like a zombie. Here we're locking at this. This lock up here.
So what, man?
You see, there was we are close, man. Smell patty.
See, brother, this armory was gone with them, man.
Oh.